Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to leverage the power of API Gateway Federation with WSO2 API Manager. Specifically, we will look at how you can configure multiple external API gateways with WSO2 API Manager, then see how to manage and govern the APIs discovered from those external gateways from a centralized control plane. This enables a federated gateway architecture. So now let's see how this can be done. So what you see here is the publisher portal of WSO2 API Manager with several APIs already being created and deployed by an organization in their on-premises gateway. This organization has a requirement to govern all other APIs deployed in their external gateways as well by using the WSO2 API Manager, enabling centralized control. For this, we will log in to the admin portal of API Manager and configure the 3 external gateways they have. Now, you can see that we have configured 3 external gateway environments for their AWS, Azure, and Kong gateways. Once the gateways are configured, the APIs already deployed in these environments will be discovered by the WSO2 API Manager, and you'll be able to see them in the publisher portal like this. Now, let's look at the APIs we have discovered from each of these external gateways. We have 14 APIs discovered from the AWS API Gateway environment, 34 APIs discovered from Azure API Gateway, and 2 APIs discovered from Kong Gateway. Let's now select one API that was discovered from AWS API Gateway and make it ready for publishing. We have an API called Housing Loan API. Let me select it. Now let's add a thumbnail to this API. Then let's add a description. Now save the API. You can also add a document to the API which would be helpful for the application developers to get a better understanding. Let's add a name and a summary for the document. I will add markdown content like this. Now the API is ready. Let's publish the API. In the developer portal, this API is exposed and ready for consumption. So this is how you can easily manage the discovered APIs of external gateways from a central control plane. A proper governance framework for APIs is necessary for addressing problems like deviation from standards, API sprawl, and also security risks. With WSO2 API Manager, you can easily apply governance consistently across APIs deployed even in different external gateways. So this is a compliance dashboard that you can see in the admin portal of WSO2 API Manager, which shows how each of the APIs in the organization comply with the enforced standards. For example, if you look at the AWS API, which is one of the discovered APIs, the REST API definition has compliance violations like this. So this information is available to the publisher portal as well, so that you can correct the API definition of the violated API from the AWS deployment itself. Now, the organization that I mentioned before wants to govern all the APIs coming from external gateways as well, so that certain policies must be adhered to before publishing any API in the organization. We can define rule sets and combine them as policies to be applied on the APIs for this. We need to first define the rules according to the organization mandates. Here you can see that I have added a rule set named Business Info Validation, whose task is to check if the technical owner information of an API is available and whether it adheres with a predefined pattern. Then there is another rule set named Basic Info Validation, whose task is to make sure an API has a thumbnail image. The REST API Documentation Guidelines rule set makes sure an API has attached documentation. So all these rules are supposed to be adhered to before publishing any API according to the organization rules. Now, we will combine all these rule sets into a single policy which applies on top of all APIs available in the organization and block it from publishing if it violates any of the defined rules. Now, let's give a name and a description for the policy. This policy will apply to all APIs in the organization. And as the enforcement criteria, we are going to block API publish operation of an API if the rule has the severity level error. From the available set of rule sets, let's select Business Info Validation, Basic Info Validation, and REST API Documentation Guidelines. Then click on Create. Now, let's try to publish an API discovered from the AWS API Gateway. You can see that publishing gets blocked due to the organization mandates policy that's applied to all APIs for compliance. Let's see if this is the same for an API discovered from another gateway vendor. Let's select an Azure API. When we try to publish this API, you will see that it is prevented from the same policy we have defined earlier. Let's correct the organization mandates and see if we are allowed to publish this Azure API. Let's first add a thumbnail to this API. And then let's add technical information as well as an email which adheres to the given pattern. Now let's add a documentation also to this API. Let's attach a file. Now we'll try to publish this API. You can see that the API is published successfully. Let's access the developer portal, and here you can see the API. So this is how APIs deployed in federated API gateways can be seamlessly governed using WSO2 API Manager. So in this video, we witnessed how easy it is to leverage the power of API Gateway Federation with WSO2 API Manager. Thank you.